Hello dear friends, welcome back. I hope you all are fine. Today we discuss part 4, apply editing and formatting features. If you didn't subscribe us, please do it now and also hit the like button. Here, firstly we discuss today's video index. First one, grammar and spell check. Second topic, insert and use images in document. Third, inserting graphic text art. Fourth one topic, creating drawing object. Fifth, bullets and numbering. And last one topic, border and shading. Let's start. First topic, grammar and spell check. Spell check features in Writer allow you to check your spelling mistake in the document and make them correct. There is an inbuilt dictionary in Writer which is used for matching the words entered in the document and the word which do not match to any word of inbuilt dictionary are shown as mistaken words. There may be some names and any such words which are not included in the dictionary and they may be correct. So the spell check feature gives you choice to keep such word and you can replace such word with any suggested word similar to the entered word. In the Writer, you can use spell check in two methods. First one, auto spell check. If auto spell check is activated as you type the word, Writer automatically check and shows it with a red underline if it is wrong or unmatched to the dictionary. And second one method is spelling and grammar. When you finish typing a document, you can have Writer to search the document for spelling and grammatical errors. To check the document for spelling and grammar errors, you can either click on spell check button on the standard toolbar or you can choose spelling and grammar option in the tools menu. To check spelling automatically, activate automatic spell check by clicking on the auto spell check icon on the standard toolbar. Follow these steps to check spelling automatically. If you manually checking the spelling, you can. When you use Writer to create a document, you can check spelling manually. The spell check starts from the current cursor position or from the beginning of the text selection. What to do if spell check is not working? Don't panic if spell check is not working. It works according to the selected language. If dictionary of that particular language is not installed, then you may face this problem, but there is a solution. Let's do the practical and learn how to solve the problem and how to check wrong spelling in the Writer document. Here I already typed a document with lots of mistakes. Firstly, click the tools menu and then click a language and then select a for all text and then click a more option. This window will be appearing on your screen. Select your default language for your document. Click here. Scroll down the list and then select a language. Here I am selecting English USA and then click a OK button. Wow! Your problem is resolved, and if you want to check how to work auto spell check, you can. It's a auto spell check button. Now it's activated. Click here for inactivation. And if you want to manually spell check, you can click the tools menu and then click a spelling and grammar and this window will be appear on your screen. Select your correct word in the suggestion list. And then click a change button. After completing this process of correction, this message will be shown on your screen. The spell check is complete. Then click OK. So now your document is correct without errors. Second topic, insert and use images in the document. I already made a video on this topic. I will give a link in a description and you can click I button also. Third topic, inserting graphics text art. In Writer, there is a gallery from which you can select very fancy decorative text style, which is called the font work gallery. Let's do the practical and see how to insert a graphic text art. Firstly, click a font work gallery, then click on the type of the text art drawing object, and then click OK. And then double click here on the text art object and change the text. Here I am type information technology. And if you want to resize the object, you can simply select your object and then resize. This is a graphic text art. Fourth topic, creating drawing object. I already made a video on this topic also. I will give a link in a description and you can click a I button for watching this video. Fifth topic, bullets and numbering. When you make a list of items, you need to show each point starting with a bullet or numbers. Let's do the practical and see how to apply a bullets and numbering in a Writer document. If you want to create a list, click a numbered list button. And then type your first list item and then press a enter key. Then type a second list item and so on. And if you want to create bullet list, you can click the bullet list button and then type the list item here. Topic 1 and then type a second list item and so on. And if you want to create a nested list, you can here click a numbered list button and then type unit 1 and then press enter key. And here I'm creating a nested list, so then press a tab key also and then type a chapter 1 and then press enter key and then type a chapter 2. In this unit only 2 chapters, then press a backspace key, then click again a numbered list button and then type unit 2. Press a enter key and then press a tab key and type a chapter 1 and then press a enter key and type a chapter 2. And then press a enter key and also backspace key and then click a numbered list button and type here unit 3. Now your nested list ready. It's a ordered list, it's a unordered list, and it's nested list. Next one topic, border and shading. Border is an outline box around the text or any other item. When you design a document, sometimes you need to show it in a box or highlight with a document. Similarly, you can highlight the item with shading. Let's do the practical and see how to apply a border and shading in a writer document. Firstly, click a format menu and then click a page, and this dialog box will be appear. Select a style which you want and then select a line arrangement and then click OK. Here border and shading is applied. I hope everything is clear for you. In this video you learn grammar and spell check, how to use a bullets and numbering, and also border and shading. In the next video we will discuss about a new topic, create and use table in the document. And it's a request to all of you guys, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please do it now and press the bell icon for the future update, and also share my videos to your friends and relatives so that my video can reach more students. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.